So today is my birthday. So I started off with some coffee and a Christmas cup because it always makes me so happy. And then we're just gonna do a workout now with my hubby. I'll show you guys the situation. It's more like Leo, Lola, and Fabs too. This is our home gym too, guys, if you haven't seen it. So the home gym was in the garage, but it's like minus 30 apparently outside today. So we moved it inside just to have it a little bit warmer. So we're gonna do a workout today. I think we're gonna do like chest and back with a bit of arms. I did legs yesterday at my mom's house. And then after this, we're gonna go to my favorite coffee shop ever, get a nice coffee, maybe some avocado toast, protein shake, and go for a walk. So that is my day so far today, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. All right, so workout is now done. It's at 2 p.m. and I am starving. We haven't ate anything. Just been relaxing. I'm gonna go now and grab something to eat because we're starving, and a nice coffee. I'll show you guys what we're gonna get. All right, this is what I got. Egg white omelet with peppers, onions, and turkey bacon. Potatoes, toast. These two little puppies who are like all friggin' over me. Babe. Oh, those look so good.
I'm not sure either.
Wow, that looks good. It is so snowy today.
Is this Leo's head, babe?
Yep.
You're like, welcome to my...
All right, this is where we are eating. Basically, outside, inside, outside, right, babe? So we are just at a restaurant in Toronto. It is this like patio thing because all the restaurants are closed for indoor dining. So we're outside. I am drinking wine. My parents are just staring at me awkwardly behind this video. But we're just waiting for our dinner, waiting to be served. It's kind of taking a long time. But so far, my birthday's good. All right, we got some chicken, Brussels sprouts, asparagus. Fab got a nice steak with truffle mac and cheese. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Say hi, guys. Hi. Hello. So my birthday was amazing. It was so fun. It is definitely different because we are still in lockdown, so only outdoor patios are open, and when it's like minus 20, minus 30, it's not the best temperature to be eating outside, but I still made the best of it, made the best of the situation, and it was still so much fun. I loved it. All right, I'm just going in to see my lash lady. If you see my lashes now, they definitely need some work. So I'm actually gonna try and do a different style, a different shape. So I'll show you guys when they're all done. All right, so it is a Monday evening, and I've been wanting to make this recipe for probably so long now. It is a raw vegan carrot cake, and I'm so excited. It looks so good so far. But I am also just drinking my Starbucks. Today I got a grande. Just wait till it focuses here. There we go. I got a grande iced Americano with a little bit of oat milk, blonde espresso and sugar-free vanilla. It is so good. All right, so I'm just grating my carrots. I have 2 cups here. And then I've also been soaking my cashews in water for about an hour. Here's all my ingredients that I'm going to use. And then I have my dates here. I'm going to blend these up. Sorry about that. I am back. My camera actually just died, but I got a little bit more done. So I want to show you guys what we have. So we have the ground carrots. I have some walnuts in here, crushed up with some spices, vanilla and salt, and then we have some dates. I believe the next step is to put these all together in the blender, and I believe that is going to be the base for the cake. And then on top of that, let's see, I want to make sure I'm doing everything properly here. So this is going to be the base of the cake, and then on top I'm also going to make a cream cheese icing. So I'm so excited. It's a vegan cream cheese icing. So I'll show you guys as well how I'm going to make that. I really hope this tastes so good. And while I do this, I'm also listening to Ed Milet. I love him.
Love it because it tells the story. Frost is cutting wood in his backyard, and he does it for fun.
Oh my gosh.
But out of the woods, 2 tramps emerge while he's cutting.
Okay, so this is my bowl of carrots and just everything I've been blending. It doesn't look the most appetizing. A little scared to try it. Then I also added some coconut flour. So I'm gonna mix this, put it in a pan, freeze it. Let's hope and pray it tastes good. Okay, this actually doesn't look that bad. So I'm going to show you the inside. So it probably should be in the freezer for a little bit longer, but that actually looks pretty good. All right, now time for the taste test. It's actually pretty good. I feel like putting it in a food processor is probably a better idea, but I didn't have that. I used a blender. But to make these, I think next time I'll definitely invest in a food processor, because I think like there's no walnut chunks, a little bit of carrot chunks in it. It's still good, but I definitely think if you're gonna make this, use a food processor. This is my little work setup area. Got my shaken espresso with oat milk, tons of water. I try and drink like probably 4 of these a day. They're just, it's like a little over a liter. Goal setting, and my 5-minute journal. So I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I have so many amazing things planned for 2022. You just wait. It is going to be amazing. So if you haven't, make sure you follow my channel. Let me know some things you want to see. I'm actually going to be doing some planning after this, and just kind of go through what kind of videos I'm going to be doing and some topics. So I'm so excited for that. So make sure you're following this channel. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.